I got this ps5 from eBay. It's broken. Let's see if I can fix it. Alright, let's see what I got. Now, I can say it's a slim, but you know, looking at it, it's not looking very slim. I can see it has marks right here. But hey, I'm actually going to test it first. Which way should this go? Oh, well. There's a game. Oh, nice. Looks like it is College Football 25. That's always nice. I'll put a price of what this is up on the screen right now. It's actually really very cold. And you can see it does turn on. Wiggle this around. Nothing. Well, all right. So first off, if you have these plates on it. All right. So this might be a little confusing because it's been like a month. This was my first fix ever. No. It was my second fix, but I got this one first before I did the other fix. That's why I posted the other one first. But this has been so long since then, and so some things might be a little confusing. I don't know, but let's just get back to the video. You just want to like pull up right here on this side, and then push it out. I can show you with this. Just push up, pull up on it, and then out. And yeah, this is gonna have to be clean. That's pretty dirty actually. So, and with these disc drives, they're actually pretty nice because there's a little I don't know if you can see that, but right here there is a thing. You just pop this out like that, and then that's your disc drive. You can just pop it up like that. It's pretty good. So, yep. Nope, no SSD. All right. So you can just put that off to the side. Warranty seal is intact. So this has never been taken apart. That's actually good. All right. So let me just put that off to the side. And I don't know what bit you need. I think it's a T9, T8. One of them. T9 or T8, I think. T9 works. So I'm going to use a T9 because it's surprised stronger on it. And so yeah, you just take these off. And like I said, they're all different, so I just keep them in the fan. So there's a black connector and a white connector. Never pull up on the black one because that could pull the connector out of the ground. So always pull up on this white one, which I'm just going to use my fingers for. Yeah, we'll definitely have to give it. Oh my gosh. Yo, that's disgusting. Ew. You know, I might have to get a jar and just put all the dirt from I get on these consoles and put them all in a jar to see like how much dirt we can get from these things. That'd be crazy. Let's do it. Let's do it. Oh my gosh. So if we flip it over, always pull up on this side, just out. There we go. It's the board, panel, whatever you want to say. We got 2 screws on the back for the power supply. I'm assuming we're gonna have to take these out. I can't remember that well. I'm gonna take these out just in case. Yeah, look at the crap. Yeah, so if you have a warranty on it, do not pull that up unless you want to void it or you don't have one. And with these, I also like to keep the screws in it. So then, for safekeeping, so you don't have to, like, you know. And there you go. There's inside of the PS5. Oh, fell out the bottom. Yes, this goes in the fan. I do not remember which one, way. I will figure that out later. Clean this stuff out. Alright. So we can just pop these off very carefully, because these are very fragile as well. Every single one of these screws is the same except this one, I think. So I'm gonna remove these real quick. We're supposed to, like, just, like, pop it up. Well, let's undo this. Pull this out. Yep. Alright, good. I didn't break it. And that looks good. Alright. I think you could just pull this up, right? Had to pop up. Yeah, I'll clean all this out. That's that's pretty gross. Let's flip this over. Yeah, I mean, oh my gosh, there's more. That stuff is disgusting. Oh my gosh. Bro, please stop screaming at your screen right now, bro. I'm not doing that bad, am I? Oh, it's because I forgot another screw, but I'm so stupid again. Alright, hopefully that's all the screws. Oh. Yep. That's definitely all the screws. Yep. See, I knew there was like thermal stuff right here. And then that's this. Don't damage your heat pipe when you do this, if you do this ever. It's just, I'm gonna set that aside. Alright. So. Now, when you take off this, I don't know if you're supposed to do this, but keep constant pressure on the APU, but I'm obviously going to do that because I don't know for sure if you're supposed to do that on the PS5, so let me just do that real quick. The little clamp, just set that aside as well. And now, alright, so there's one screw here, and let's see, another screw. There should be two, right? I think there was supposed to be two, right? I don't know. Just one. Oh, here's the other one. There we go. Let's check it. Yep. Ooh, there's massive dry spot. Oh my gosh. Yeah. We will definitely be fixing that. Yo. Let's take a look at this. Oh yeah, that is very messed up. So we're looking for any broken pads on this. Is there any? No, that's a very good sign. That's very good. And just turn this on. You just gotta like, oh, there we go. You just kinda gotta tap on it, and yeah, look at that port, bro. Let me focus it. Here, if I move this board, oh, that's hot. That board is hot. There you go, now it should focus. Yeah, look at that, bro. It's like, oh, yeah. Flux just helps the solder flow. So just add a little bit to it. That'll be good. Give me 1 minute again. Let me go from underneath this. Oh, there we go, there's one. There we go. Okay, now get your solder and then take your iron. There we go. I bridged them. So just come in here and clean that up. There you go. Now once you can tell it's not bridged anymore, then you're good. There we go, like that. And there you go. Now taking a look at under it, let's see if all the pads are connected. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna add flux to it, just helps it flow like always. Said it a couple times. That might be a little too much, but you can never really have too much flux, can you? I mean, doing this. So I'm gonna put my fume extractor right here and turn it on, so I'll, you know, probably be a little loud. And boom, let's go. Another fix for the day, let's go.